back at you guys with another video. Now this video is a little different. I have became a brand ambassador for this company called Hiddenhills Watch Co. They're located out of Canada, and they got some really nice products, guys. Like, go check them out. Go to hiddenhillswatch.com, check them out, and get y'all some watches. These are some really nice watches, man. Now this is I already got this watch. I had already bought this one. These my two new watches right here. You know what I'm saying? So this is gonna do a little unboxing of my new two watches and this one, because y'all ain't seen this one. So this how they come in these boxes. Nice boxes. And on the side it tells you what gen there is and the number. And on the back it also tell you the gen and the number. So generation 2 86400 number. And then it has the color option on the back. So this one's gold. This one, that one is blue. And this one, that one is green. You see the company is out of Canada. And these generation watches for the year 2020. So let me show you what these things looking like, y'all. So like I said, I already had this one. I already bought this one. This is the gold one. And you can see I took the links out. Turn my camera this way. So you can see I took the links out. They give you a little tool right here. This tool is to help you take the links out, so it'll fit on your wrist and won't be flopping all over the place. But there go the links right there. Took them joints out because I got a little wrist. My wrist little. So yeah, I took these out. I've been wearing the joint, and it, man, when I tell you that joint hit real hard. It hit real hard when the sunlight hitting that thing. Like, it hit real hard. I'll leave that off. But these two, I just went to the mailbox and got these today. So we finna look at these together. Alright, so let's go. So this is the blue one. I gotta give me a GoPro, man. Damn. So on the inside of the box, you got the little scanning app. It'll give you information about your watch and everything else. Or you can just go to like the mobile browser on your desktop and do it too. Scan the little thing. So inside the box, they give you a little clean and wipe. Come with a lot of watches, but they give you a clean and wipe. And as you open it up, you see you got Hiddenhills engraved into the actual cleaning material. That's pretty dope. I never paid attention to that on the first one. I just went ahead and got it in. Oh, wind blowing, want this to fly away. Okay, so then they give you instructions on how to pop the links out. So I never knew how to pop out links until I got this watch. So just follow the instructions till you get the set number of links taken out. So whatever, how it fit, if it fit real good, you don't need to take out no more links. And then on the back side, they just, nice little view. Hiddenhills Watch Company, something look nice. And as you can see, we got the watch right here. It's the same as the gold watch, where you got a blue face. I ain't never had a watch with a blue face, man. That blue face looking real nice. So this right here, it just tells you the serial number and Hiddenhills Watch Company, designed in Canada, product produced here, all that good stuff. Like I said, if you want to get the authenticity, which is the same thing as this right here, getting the information, then you just scan this little barcode right there. Now they got a little app on if you're on Android or iOS, it should be like a barcode QC scanning app. I think that's what you call it. That's how you call it. But you scan that, and it tells you all about your watch. Of course, all of them come with the tool. So now I got 3 of them. So I got this one, I got that one, and then I have another one in this box. I'm going to open that box. So this the blue joint. I'll go with the blue face. And one thing I hated about these watches just was the plastic. The watches are fantastic. These are fantastic watches. It's just the plastic is so thick. Like they take good care of these watches. When they ship them, the plastic is so tight, ain't nothing getting through there. It's actually dirt. I think they look like dirt on the plastic. It's not even on the watch, it's on the plastic. But look at that face though, yo. Like the face with the stones in it. That giant looking real nice. And my birthday coming up, so I might have to wear this. But you see on the inside it got 86400 Hiddenhills Generation 2 on there. I wonder if that's on a gold one. It sure is, and it's in black. It's in black, and this one is in white. So that's looking real fire, y'all. Looking real fire, real fire. Okay, so that's the gold. That's the blue. Let's do this green one right here. Get this green one out. Same exact thing. On every box, it's the same exact thing. I got me another little cleaning cloth. Another little instruction sheet to take out your links. You know, you got, oh, I got it upside down. Got this, authenticity. How y'all doing over there? Then you got serial number, all this stuff, Canada. And here we go, the green watch. Well, that green face is nice, huh? Let me take that out of there. Look at that green face. That green face is hidden. Still got the plastic. I need to get, they got a lot of different other colors, but I really wanted this green one, and I really wanted that blue face right there. See, you got the stones in it. Hiddenhills watch, 86 400 generation 2. That's in white. This green is hitting really nice too. I wonder what it's gonna look like in the sun. The sun makes it pop real hard. I'm about to take this plastic off, man. That plastic gave me hell for like the last 10 minutes. I was trying to take it off about 5-10 minutes, man. Plastic gave me hell. But they put them in these nice styrofoam cushion boxes. You know what I'm saying? It's real cushion. So, and you got another tool right here. Take them links, I got another tool right there. So, put them all together so I can see them all together. These are my 3 Hiddenhills watches. Turn it that way so you can see them. There's all 3 of them right there. Gold face, blue face, green face. Them Johnsons is busting. So yeah, man, y'all want one of these watches, just go to, and I'll hit a link right here, and I'll also put it down in the description below. Go to www.hiddenhills.co, or just click the link in the description. Getting tongue tied here, guys. Click the link in the description below if you want to get you one of these gorgeous watches, bro. Like, these watches, it ain't a Rollie or nothing, and it ain't an AP, and I doubt I can't afford AP. And if you can afford AP, more power to you. But until then, get you one of these watches. You can even try to become a brand ambassador with the company. You know what I'm saying? But the watches do retail at $600, and they're about to release their Gen 3 come September. So check them out, man. And that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Fupa gang out.